Hi everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone who celebrated. I am here today on Christmas unboxing some of these luxury pieces that I have, and I am excited to share it with you so that I could also open it. I have some of these for a while now under the tree. I've decided to film this with you and then head on back to be with the rest of the family. I am very grateful this year for everybody who has been active on my channel, who's watched my videos, who's thumbs up, you know, all of your kind words have been very, very touching, and some of your suggestions have also been very helpful. So I'm glad we have the space to discuss and share, and I hope to see more of that next year. So yeah, without further ado, I wanted to share a few things here with you. It's gonna contain some Louis Vuitton, some Chanel's, and some Hermes, some of my favorite brands, and all of the stores look super pretty. So I always have a good time, you know, going in and just visiting the store, even if I don't get anything. I did get a couple things. And yeah, actually some of them have some holiday wrappings, so let's get right into it. So Louis Vuitton, I actually unboxed this already last video. If you wanted to see, you know, the details about it, I will link it below. But I just wanted to share again, in case you did miss that video, the packaging this year from Louis Vuitton for the holiday 2024 is beautiful. I love how like magical and whimsical it is. And here's the box. So I already unboxed this, so it's not a true unboxing, but I, again, wanted to share it with you here in case you are interested. And this one is a very beautiful piece from their holiday collection. It is the card holder, and it is made with the empreinte calfskin leather, and it has a very nice shimmering blue color with these like beautiful charms. I think this is a great gift if you're still looking for one for somebody. I personally will be still visiting people over the next few days, so I think this is a great one. This is made of 100% leather, and it is less than $600. So if you're a friend who really likes luxury and you want to get them something special, this is actually one that I think would be really nice. And of course, if the store has the holiday packaging, it's even better, because I really like this year's holiday packaging with the navy blue. Next up, I want to swing over to Chanel. I have given these sneak peeks on my channel. These are their holiday packaging. The 2024 holiday packaging is beautiful. You can see that there are these sequin tweed fabric for the ribbon, and there is a very, very beautiful, I don't know, like pendant or button, and it is pearl with this detailing and then the CC kind of crystal design. It is beautiful. Last year I got the camellia flower and the heart, which I have turned them into little charms and hair bows. So I actually created a backing for it, and so this wraps actually around a bow. So for example, I have a bow here, and what you do is you take one of these guys and you just kind of wrap it around the bow here. And then, so then when you wear it in your hair, as you can see, it will have this beautiful camellia flower. Of course, it works better when the fabric of the bow matches the Velcro. But yeah, you can essentially see what it'll look like. It's like that. So I absolutely love these because I had such a great time with this last year. And so this year I'm going to turn that one into one of these to also wear, and I think it'll be so cute. I did a tutorial last year on how to make those. It's not actually that difficult. So if I could still find the Velcro material that I used, I'll link it below. But yeah, it's fairly easy to use. So if you did happen to get one of these in the store or got as a gift, what have you, I think you should save it and definitely use it for that. So let's get into it. Oh, and in case anybody doesn't know, the back of this kind of button is it's just like a bar. So you kind of hook something through it. I think it's hard to wear as a necklace because of how it's constructed. Plus it changes the CC into like the wrong shape. But Anyway, it's beautiful. All right, so this one I got actually like a couple weeks ago now. Oh, more than a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks now. It's been a while. It's been sitting under the tree, which I love because I love the little hot packaging. So here we go. The dust bag to reveal an SLG. This one is I think they call it a card holder, but it is from the 25C collection and it is made of caviar. There is the CC logo right there. And it's really cool because it does have like you can kind of see a big slip pocket, but it also on the back have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slot holders. And it also has a big zip compartment. So inside is the burgundy fabric lining. And I love that I can put keys in here if I wanted to, but I can also put cards that I can easily like grab from here or in the front right here. This actually is very, very similar to my Dior one that I currently use. As you can see, there is a slip front pocket for a card, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots, and then there is a zipper compartment. So it's basically the same construction, except this Chanel one is just a smidge bigger. So I don't know if you can see, it is a little bit taller right there. Width-wise is about the same. Maybe the Chanel one's a little bit bigger, but I think it could open wider, but because you can see that this actually can expand quite a bit. So I think this one will accommodate a little bit more. It does feel a little bit bigger in my hand as well. But yeah, I love how classic it looks. A leather pull tab, you know. And yeah, this one actually also would make a great gift for somebody that you know that really likes luxury, like Chanel. This one's less than $1,000 and you get their caviar leather, like I said, and the burgundy lining, which is very, very classic Chanel. So I'm glad I got my hands on this one. Again, this is the 25C and it's called the O card holder. So I will try to type out the code down below if you're interested in looking for this one from your essay. All right, I'm gonna jump over to Hermes before I jump back to Chanel. This one I'm very excited to open with you because I want to start using it. So without further ado, let's just get into it. And it is a pair of shoes. I did this one online and I wasn't sure if they had it in stores, and luckily they did. I am so glad they also had it in the color that I wanted. This is the new Jet sneaker in the pink color. Kind of has a mauve shade as well, kind of purple pink, but it is a pair of their sneakers. I have only owned Hermes sandals and loafers. I don't have a pair of sneakers from Hermes. Oh, it smells good. It smells really strong with leather. So it's a suede. There's 2 color suedes on this pair, and it is very comfortable. I put it on in the stores already and tried it on, but yeah, you can see that it does have a good amount of cushion, and it also has a rubber foot area so you don't get it damaged. And this is what it looks like on the bottom. And my husband, I actually got him a Christmas present, a pair of these as well. It's not the same color, it's very similar. I'll insert a photo if he would allow me to, or a video here to share it with you, but it is great, like hers, but like not exactly the same. It's like matchy, but not really. So yeah, it's great. But yeah, this is my first pair of Hermes sneakers, and I'm glad it's kind of low key. I mean, there is the H here, but you know, and there is an Hermes logo here, but again, it's not very obvious. So if you kind of like the more understated and, you know, but still have like a luxurious pair of sneakers, then you might want to look into this one. All right, bring out the other pair to show you them together. So that's what it looks like. It also does come with an extra set of laces right here, as you can see, and yeah, it's the same. It's just the white pair. So basically the same set of laces on the shoe. So it's nice that they give you a replacement. But yeah, I'm really excited about these. I'm gonna start wearing them. Actually, you know what? I probably will spray them first because they're suede. But yeah, once I do that, we can wear them out. And if you wanted to see how I style these, you can check out my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All. I think I will probably wear it soon, is my guess. But yeah, it'll pop up there at some point. So if you want to see how it looks on me and how I style it, then definitely head on over there. All right, heading back over to Chanel is this box. Again, this one I got it at the same time as the other one because you can see that it is the holiday packaging. I love this holiday packaging. When my essay, I was asking her, but when she shared it with me, I was like, oh my gosh. So this was probably a month ago now. And so I went in as soon as I could and bought some stuff. I mean, I wanted to get the stuff anyway, but definitely that was like the drawing in point, right? And also at the same time, at the beginning of December, I knew that they had a sale. So the winter sale was early this year. Usually it's at the end-ish of December, but I was able to head on in beginning of December. So not only did I go to the sale, but I also got it packaged with their holiday packaging. So that is lovely. That's like icing on top. But yes, I got this for 40% off. So let's go take a look at what I got. I'm sure you can kind of guess already just from the shape of the box, but ooh, things are falling out. I tried on some stuff. I also did a come shopping with me video that day. So if you wanted to see what I looked at, what I tried on, definitely head on over there. Here is the little, I guess, care booklet. And they are a pair of shoes. Let me show you. It is a pair of velvet loafers and it has the beautiful gold heel. If you see my unboxing like 3 or 4 months ago, you'll see that I have unboxed a pair of Chanel shoes. It's a pair of sandals, but it has the same look. It has that like gold heel, which I really, really liked. But what I also really liked about this is that the velvet is beautiful. So you can wear this kind of like in the winter time, but with, you know, anything a little bit more casual, but still elevated. And if you look closely, I don't know if you can see it. There is a raised area right here. This raised area is a Chanel CC. Can you see that? Oh, maybe like that. You can see it. So anyway, it is a very subtle, and you can also see that it has a quilted leather lining. It says Chanel right here, but yeah, it's very subtle. So you can't really see the CC unless like you're looking at it, or if you look at it at a very specific angle. I'm actually having a hard time showing you myself. But yeah, if you look from afar, it just looks like a pair of gold-heeled black velvet loafers, and so I absolutely love it. This is made in Italy, and it has these, oh my gosh, look, it has these bottom soles, the rubber part. This is leather right here, and this is rubber, and you can see the CC at the very bottom. This pair of loafers is from the 23K collection, so it's been a year, and it retails for $12.75, but you get 40% off of their sale items, so it was actually quite a steal. Actually, this was cheaper than the little SLGs that I got, so I'm glad I found something that fits me. I got my size 36. At Chanel, I have worn 36 and 36 and a half. So, and 37. So really you have to kind of try it and see, because sometimes they do differ quite a bit. So I'm very, very happy with this pair of shoes. I'm glad now that I unboxed it, I can start wearing it. I may wear it for New Year's. I don't know. We'll see. I haven't figured out my outfit yet, but yeah, excited to start wearing these guys, and they are so comfortable. All right, last but not least, we have the Hermes. This one I actually just got a couple days ago. I went in to pick up my husband's Christmas gift, and I was surprised with this. So this was something that we had wanted to get earlier this year, but it was out of stock at our store. So my essay was keeping an eye out for us, and when we went in to pick up my husband's shoes that I got for him for Christmas, we also ended up picking up his trousers and also his shirt. That wasn't part of his Christmas present, but he did end up getting some for just himself. He loved this shirt so much. The material was so nice, but it was so billowy. If I have a photo of the before and after, I'll pop it here because it is amazing. Oh my gosh, you just cannot believe how much of a transformation their tailoring team, alterations team can do, because the job was just spectacular. They turned this like super wide shirt. It looks like an oversized shirt. I don't even know how to explain it. And they tailored it so well that it just looks like perfectly fitted now. And yeah, it's just crazy because it was such a big difference. Same with the jeans, they were able to alter it too. So if I have the before and after, I gotta pop it on here because it was like a transformation. When I saw her pinning the shirt before they altered it, just so that he could see it, I was just like, whoa, like it was kind of worked on in front of my eyes, and I was just like, wow. So anyway, if you ever have a tailoring need and, you know, you buy something, I think they can do a lot for you. It's just, yeah, very amazing. So a few days ago, we went to pick that up as well as his present, and this came in. And so I am very excited to share it with you. Inspected it in the store. And to reveal this change tray. Now, this is something that we had wanted for the kind of the front door area. It's just a very decorative piece. It is beautiful. This one is the mosaic design in the platinum color. They also have a gold version, but I think this one just looks so much more lovely. And so it is like ceramic, porcelain, I think. And it does say made in France in the back right there. And I love this like suede material, so that if I put it on this glass table by the front door, it won't damage it. Actually, I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it just yet. I'm gonna look around, but yeah, I'm just glad that it has, wherever I end up putting it, it doesn't matter. I'm just glad it has this bottom to like keep it protected. But this is beautiful. It reminds me of the floor, actually, when you first walk in to the Hermes store. So yeah, it's beautiful, and it just looks very, very intricate. And yeah, I absolutely love it, and I'm glad it finally came in. And that is all today. I hope you guys enjoyed opening your presents as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this. This is just for me to share. I share every year, and so I'm gonna also watch a few of other people's unboxings this year. It looks very festive and happy watching these type of videos, so I hope you enjoyed this one as well. There are some Dior Beauty pieces I wanted to share here, but I didn't want to make this video too long, so I'll do that separately. Plus, it was actually quite a disappointment, especially because I got the replacement platinum gift, and it was such a letdown. I will have to share it with you in a different video, but yeah, if you have not heard about the fiasco already, there was supposed to be a snow globe, and they quickly ran out in like an hour or two, even though they knew how many platinum members there are. So it was supposed to be a gift, but then it's like they retracted that gift and gave you something else, but that ended up being so disappointing. Anyway, if you're interested in what that looks like, search it up on YouTube, but I will also unbox it, I think, in the next 1 or 2 videos. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Come back, and I will hope to see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays. Bye.